Next, we are discussing the idea. The question is like this: if angle B and angle Q are acute angles such that sine B is equal to sine Q, then prove that angle B is equal to angle Q. Okay, the question is very clear. What is the question? എന്താണ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിൽ പറയുന്നത്? ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പറയുന്നത് ഇങ്ങനെയാണ് മക്കളെ. എന്താണ് ആംഗിൾ ബിയും ആംഗിൾ ക്യൂവും അക്യൂട്ട് ആംഗിൾസ് ആണ്. ഓക്കെ, then is given the idea sin B is equal to sin Q. Then prove that angle B is equal to angle Q. അല്ലേ, സൈൻ ബിയും സൈൻ ക്യൂവും ഈക്വൽ ആണെങ്കിൽ എന്ത് ഈക്വൽ ആണ് എന്ന് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യണം? ആംഗിൾ ബി എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ആംഗിൾ ക്യൂവിന് ഈക്വൽ ആണ് എന്ന് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യണം. You must remember one thing: if you want to prove the two angles are equal, then all the cases there we want to prove the similarity. Okay, and which angles we want to prove equal, that two are the angles of two right triangles. Okay, that means if we want to prove the two angles are equal, what is the first? There we want to prove the triangles are similar. Okay, and one more idea. What is that? Which angle we want to prove equal, that two are the angles of two right triangles. Okay, suppose here we want to prove the angle B is equal to angle Q. ഇവിടെ എന്താണ് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത് മക്കളെ? ആംഗിൾ B is equal to angle Q എന്നാണ് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. അപ്പോൾ ആംഗിൾ ബി, രണ്ട് ആംഗിൾ ഈക്വൽ ആണ് എന്ന് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യേണ്ട ഏതൊരു കേസിലും നമ്മൾ പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത് ഇങ്ങനെയാണ്, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ തെളിയിക്കുന്നത് ഇങ്ങനെയൊക്കെയാണ്. എന്താണ്? ആ രണ്ട് ആംഗിൾസും രണ്ട് റൈറ്റ് ട്രയാങ്കിളിൻ്റെ ഭാഗമായിരിക്കണം. ഓക്കെ, ഒരു റൈറ്റ് ട്രയാങ്കിൾ തന്നെ ബിയും ക്യൂവും വരാൻ പാടില്ല, മാർക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല. അങ്ങനെ മാർക്ക് ചെയ്ത് ചെയ്യാൻ കുറച്ച് ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടാണ്. അത് എപ്പോഴും എളുപ്പം എന്താണ്, നമ്മൾ രണ്ട് ട്രയാങ്കിളിൻ്റെ ആംഗിൾസ് ആയിട്ട് ഏത് മാർക്ക് ചെയ്യുക? ബിയും ക്യൂവും മാർക്ക് ചെയ്യുക. ആൻഡ് വി പ്രൂവ് ദേ ആർ സിമിലർ. ഓക്കെ, എന്നിട്ട് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യുക? ആ ട്രയാങ്കിൾ സിമിലർ ആണെന്ന് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യുക. സപ്പോസ് വി വാണ്ട് ടു പ്രൂവ് ദ ആംഗിൾ പി ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു ആംഗിൾ ക്യൂ. ഇൻസ്റ്റെഡ് ഓഫ് ആംഗിൾ ബി ഈസ് ആംഗിൾ പി. Okay, then is angle P is equal to angle Q. What we mark? We choose the two right triangle. One angle we mark as P and the second triangle's angle we mark as Q. Okay, not we mark the P and Q with one triangle, we take the both are the angles of two triangles. That is an idea. Okay, here not confusion. Why? Because is angle B and the second one is angle Q. Okay, എയും ബിയും ആണ് തരുന്നത്. ആംഗിൾ എ ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു ആംഗിൾ ബി എന്നാണ് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടതെങ്കിൽ എ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഒരു ട്രയാങ്കിളിൻ്റെ ആംഗിളായി വരുന്ന രീതിയിൽ പേര് കൊടുക്കുക. ബി എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് രണ്ടാമത്തെ ട്രയാങ്കിളിൻ്റെ ആംഗിളായിട്ട് വരുന്ന രീതിയിൽ പേര് കൊടുക്കുക. ദെൻ പ്രൂവ് ദ ട്രയാങ്കിൾസ് ആർ സിമിലർ, ദെൻ വി ഗെറ്റ് ദ ആംഗിൾസ് ആർ ഈക്വൽ. Okay, so we go the idea. Here we have the two right triangles, then the angle names are different, B and Q. So we just draw in the figure and name it. First triangle we choosing here, triangle A B C. B is an acute angle, so we choosing like this. The second right triangle as S Q R. Okay, then here is given what is the, we have the two right triangles, we have the two acute angles, angle B and angle Q. We want to prove here angle B is equal to angle Q. For that, what is given? The sin B is equal to sin Q. Then we are writing one by one. So for to proving this, how do we start? We starting from here. Given sin B is equal to sin Q. Okay, then what is sin B? The sin B is AC by CB. Therefore, AC by CB is equal to, what is sin Q? Is opposite by hypotenuse, that is PR by RQ. Okay, so is AC by CB is equal to PR by RQ. Then we know that then is possible to write, therefore AC by CB is equal to PR by RQ. Then AC by PR is equal for CB by RQ. Okay, we study this result. We used this result in the case of triangles AC by PR. AC by CB എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് പി ആർ ബൈ ആർ ക്യൂവിന് ഈക്വൽ ആണെങ്കിൽ മക്കൾ ഏത് ഈക്വൽ ആയിരിക്കും നമ്മൾ കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്? എ സി ബൈ പി ആർ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് സി ബി ബൈ ആർ ക്യൂവിന് ഈക്വൽ ആയിരിക്കും. Why we are rearranging like this? Because for saying the triangles are similar. Okay, thus we want to prove the sides are proportional. Okay, for getting the result we choosing like this: AC by PR is equal for CB by RQ. We don't know what is this ratio, so we choosing the result is equal to K. Okay, AC by PR is equal to CB by RQ. We get it now. Only the two sides of the triangle ratio is equal to K. അല്ലേ? ഈ ട്രയാങ്കിൾസിൻ്റെ രണ്ട് സൈഡ്സിൻ്റെ റേഷ്യോ മാത്രമേ നമുക്കിപ്പോൾ പറയാൻ വേണ്ടി പറ്റുള്ളൂ. എത്രയാണത്? K. Then here for saying the similarity we want to get the remaining side ratio AB by PQ is also K. That is our aim, to prove AB by PQ is equal to K. Okay, then for that we separating this ratio AC by PR is equal to CB by RQ is equal to K. Then how to be splitting? Therefore that is what is it meaning? AC by PR is equal to K and CB by RQ is also K. Correct? The both result is K. Then AC by PR is equal to K means AC is equal to K PR. What is CB? CB is equal to KRQ. Then AC is equal to KPR, CB is equal to KRQ. Then next we finding the AB by using the Pythagoras theorem. Then how to write? Yes, base square is equal to hypotenuse square minus height square. AB square is equal to CB square minus AC square. PQ square is equal to AB square is equal to CB square minus AC square. Therefore AB is equal to, yes, square root of CB square minus AC square. Then next we finding by the right triangle RPQ what we get? Yes, PQ is equal to square root of RQ square, hypotenuse square minus height square, PR square. Okay, the next AC by PR is K, BC by RQ is also K. The next we finding the ratio of AB and PQ. Therefore AB by PQ is equal to, what is AB? Root of CB square minus AC square by root of RQ square minus PR square. Okay, then what we get? Then is equal to, the next we substituting root of, yes, CB is equal to KRQ. Okay, then KRQ whole square minus, yes, what is AC? AC is KPR. Then KPR whole square by, what is root of, the denominator is same, root of RQ square minus PR square. Okay, is equal to root of, then how to write? This one is K square RQ square minus K square PR square by root of RQ square minus PR square. Then here is K is common, correct? Then we take the square root like this. K square is out, then K square into RQ square minus PR square by root of RQ square minus PR square. That is root, this one is in the form of root A by root B, correct? Root A by root B is equal for root of A by B, correct? Root of A by B. So we are writing like this, is equal to square root of K square into RQ square minus PR square by RQ square minus PR square. Okay, root of A, this one completely we take as A is root B. Root A by root B is equal to root of A by B. Then RQ square minus PR square is possible to cancel. Then what is the remaining? Is equal to root K square. Then we know that root K square is equal to K. So we got it, the ratio of AB by PQ is also K. Okay, then what we get it now? We got it, all the side ratios are equal, that is AC by PR is equal to CB by RQ is equal to AB by PQ, correct? Therefore right triangle ABC similar right triangle PQR. The two triangles are similar, then we know that their corresponding angles are equal, correct? Therefore angle B is equal to angle Q. Okay, angle B is equal to angle Q. Then I think you got the idea about this. ഇപ്പോൾ പറഞ്ഞത് ഇത്രയേ ഉള്ളൂ മക്കൾ. എന്താണ്, രണ്ട് ആംഗിൾസ് ഈക്വൽ ആണെന്ന് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യാൻ ആ രണ്ട് ആംഗിൾസും വരുന്ന രീതിയിൽ, ആ രണ്ട് ആംഗിൾസും ആംഗിൾസായി വരുന്ന രീതിയിൽ രണ്ട് ട്രയാങ്കിൾ ചൂസ് ചെയ്യുക, രണ്ട് റൈറ്റ് ട്രയാങ്കിൾ ചൂസ് ചെയ്യുക. എന്നിട്ട് ആ റൈറ്റ് ട്രയാങ്കിൾ എന്താണെന്ന് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യാം, സിമിലർ ആണെന്ന് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യും. ഇപ്പം ആംഗിൾ എ ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു ആംഗിൾ ബി എന്നാണ് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടതെങ്കിൽ ആംഗിൾ എയും ആംഗിൾ ബിയും ഒരു ട്രയാങ്കിളിൽ തന്നെ വരക്കാതെ രണ്ടും രണ്ട് ട്രയാങ്കിളിൽ വരുന്ന രീതിയിൽ ഒരു രണ്ട് ട്രയാങ്കിൾ ചൂസ് ചെയ്യുക. എന്നിട്ട് അതെന്താണെന്ന് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യുക, സിമിലർ ആണെന്ന് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യുക. ഓക്കെ, ദ നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഈസ് ലൈക്ക് ദിസ്. If 3 cot A is equal to 4, then check whether 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not. Okay, നമുക്ക് എന്താണ് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്? വളരെ കൃത്യമാണ്, തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. എന്താണ് തന്നിട്ടുള്ളത്? 3 cot A എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 4 ആണ്. 3 cot A is equal to 4. അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A ഏതിന് ഈക്വൽ ആണോ അല്ലയോ നോക്കണം. cos square A minus sin square A ക്ക് ഈക്വൽ ആണോ അല്ലയോ നോക്കണം. Correct. So here we want to find the value of cos square, cos, sin and tan is given the code here. Correct. So how do we write? We starting from 3 cot A, but we construct the right triangle ABC and angle A. Everything we discuss on the base of angle A, so we just marking that. Then is given, what is given? Given 3 cot A is equal to 4, correct? Therefore cot A is equal to 4 by 3, correct? Then just next we think about what is cot. Cot is, yes, adjacent by opposite, correct? What is cot? Cot is the opposite of tan, that means adjacent by opposite. Then 4 by 3, then 4 is representing the ratio of adjacent side and 3 is representing the ratio of opposite side, correct? Then what is the adjacent? AB. So we choose, therefore AB is equal to 4, one common factor, that is K, 4K, and BC is equal to 3K. So is 4K and this one is 3K. So is remaining the hypotenuse AC. So we want to find the AC by using the Pythagoras theorem. Therefore AC is equal to square root of, yes, AB square plus BC square, base square plus height square is equal to 4K whole square plus 3K whole square, then is equal to root of 4K square is equal to 16K square plus 9K square, correct? So is equal to root of 25K square. Then what is the square root of 25? Is 5. Then what is the square root of K square? That one is K. So AC is equal to 5K. Okay, then we got the value of AC. AC is equal to 5K. The next we want to find tan, cos and the sine. Okay, then it's very easy to write the tan value. Why? Because cot we got it. What is cot? Cot is 4 by 3. Then what is the relation of cot and tan? Yes, tan is the reciprocal of cot and cot is the reciprocal of tan, correct? Then cot is 4 by 3, so what is tan? Tan A is equal to, yes, the reciprocal 3 by 4. If we just verify is this correct, what is tan of A? Opposite by adjacent, 3k by 4k. Then k and k cancel, then what we get? 3 by 4. Okay, the next sin A. What is sin A? Sin A is equal to, yes, opposite by hypotenuse, 3k by 5k, correct? 3k by 5k is equal to what we get? Yes, 3 by 5. Then what is the value of cos A? Cos A is equal to, what is cos A? Yes, adjacent by hypotenuse. What is adjacent? That is 4k. 4k by 5k is equal to 4 by 5. K and k cancel, then 4 by 5. Correct? Then what want to find? The first we want to find the answer of 1 minus tan square A. Then 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A is equal to 1 minus, what is tan? What is tan square A? We know what is mean by tan square A. The tan square A means tan A whole square. Tan A whole square is representing as tan square A. Then what is tan A? 3 by 4. Then tan square A means 3 by 4 whole square by 1 plus tan square A. What is 1 plus tan square A? 1 plus tan square A is 1 plus, yes, 1 plus tan square A is 3 by 4 whole square. Tan A is 3 by 4. So, tan square A is 3 by 4 whole square. Is equal to 1 minus, what is 3 by 4 whole square is 9 by 16. Correct, 9 by 16 by 1 plus 9 by 16. Then make this one is by 1, this also by 1. Then we cross multiplying the numerator and denominator, what we get? 1 into 16, 16 minus 9 by 16 divided by 16 plus 9 by 16. Okay, then is equal to what we get? 16 minus 9. What is 16 minus 9? Yes, 16 minus 9 is equal to 7 by 16 whole divided by 16 plus 9 is equal to 25 by 16. Then we are dividing two fractions, then is possible. We know that we multiplying by the reciprocal. Then 7 by 16 into 16 by 25. Then 16 and 16 cancel, then we get 7 by 25. Okay, so we got the result is 7 by 25. Okay, we stop it there. The next we choosing the RHS part. What is RHS? Cos square A minus sin square A. Then cos square A minus sin square A is equal to, what is cos square A? Cos square A means cos A whole square, that means 4 by 5 whole square. Then 4 by 5 whole square minus, what is sin square A? The sin A is 3 by 5. Then sin square A is 3 by 5 whole square. Okay, then is equal to what we get? 4 by 5 whole square is 16 by 25 minus 3 by 5 whole square is 9 by 25. The denominator is same, so we subtracting the numerator. 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9 is 7 by 25. Correct? So, what we got it? We got it. The results are equal. That is 1 minus. That is 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A is equal for cos square A minus sin square A. Okay? They are equal. We got the result, they are equal. Okay, I think you got this idea. Our next question is like this. In triangle OPQ, right angled at P, OP is equal to 7 centimeter and OQ minus PQ is equal to 1 centimeter. Determine the value of sine q and cos q. Okay, so here we have one right triangle, then we just constructing a right triangle is right angled at P. Okay, then the value is OPQ. And here we want to say everything on the base of angle Q, correct? Angle Q. Then what is given? Is given OP is equal to 7 centimeter. OP is equal to 7 centimeter and OQ minus PQ is equal to 1 centimeter. For saying the value of sine and cos, we want to get, yes, the adjacent and hypotenuse is given only for the opposite side of Q. So we using the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, then what is given now? Given OQ minus PQ is equal to 1. Therefore OQ is equal to 1 plus PQ. Okay, OQ is equal to 1 plus PQ. So we use the Pythagoras theorem. We know that OQ square is equal to hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square. Correct? Base square plus height square. Then what is OQ? OQ is 1 plus PQ. Then 1 plus PQ whole square is equal to PQ. We don't know PQ, then PQ. We know the value of OP. OP is equal to 7. Then this one in the form of A plus B whole square, correct? So we apply the idea A square means 1 square plus 2 into A into B plus B square is equal to PQ square plus 49. Okay, then the PQ square is common in the both side and the sign is same. The both are positive, so it is possible to cancel PQ square and PQ square. Then what is remaining? 1 square means 1 plus 2PQ is equal to 49. Therefore, yes, 2PQ is equal to 49 minus 1. We are transposing plus 1 in the side of RHS, then is minus 1. Therefore, is equal to 48. Therefore, PQ is equal to, yes, 48 by 2. 48 by 2 is equal to, yes, 24. We got the value of PQ also. What is PQ? The PQ is equal to 24. Correct? PQ is equal to 24. Then what we get? Then it is possible to find the value of OQ. Correct? Therefore, OQ is equal to 1 plus 24 is equal to 25 centimeter. Okay, now we got the value of PQ. PQ is 24, OQ is 25. Then it is possible to write the value of sine Q. Therefore, sine Q is equal to, what is sine Q? Opposite by hypotenuse, correct? Then OP by OQ is equal to, what is OP? OP is 7. 7 by 25. Then cos Q. Cos Q is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, that is PQ by OQ. Then is equal to 24 by 25. Okay, it's an idea for finding the values. Is it clear?